Get out your art supplies, if you can find them. We're going to be drawing leaves using the number 7. And here's what they'll look like when they're done. Welcome to Art Expedition. We're glad you're here. That's not right. Are you ready? Pencils, pens, markers, or crayons up? Let's begin. We're going to make 3 different leaves, and so we're going to use 3 different 7s to make them. Our first leaf will be an oak leaf, and we'll make it kind of like this one right here. First, let's draw the leaves' veins. A line coming out here like that, a line coming from the top all the way down, and then 2 more lines coming out on either side. To make the body of the leaf, we're going to create a line that starts right here and then wraps around all these veins without touching them. So we're going to start right here and end on the other side. So we'll make 2 guide points and then come out around, we'll wrap around and curve it like that. And then we'll end back at that point on the other side. Now we've got our oak leaf. For our second leaf over here, we'll create a line coming from the top down to create the midrib. And then we're going to match this one right here. Next, we'll add some curved lines coming out from that top point. One on this side, curving out in the back, and the second on the other side, coming out and back. And we'll put a couple of more veins in there. And our second leaf is done. Our third leaf is a maple leaf, and we'll start by making the top part of the 7 a little longer. Then we'll draw a line about the same size that connects. Next, we'll add a line from the top center of the leaf going down to touch the corner of the 7. Then we'll draw 2 more veins going diagonally on each side to meet the corner of the 7. We'll put 2 dots to help guide us. Next, we'll make dots just beyond each of the leaf's 5 veins. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Now we'll draw 2 small lines curving down and away from each dot, kind of looking like arrows. We'll make more dots to help guide us. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. To connect our lines, we'll use shapes that look like J's and reverse J's. Reverse J, J, reverse J, J. We'll make 2 curved lines to make the bottom of the leaf, starting at the center and going out. Finally, to add some detail, we'll add some curved lines to create more veins. And so, with some number 7s, we've been able to draw some simple autumn leaves. How'd you do? You can also color it if you like. Here's my version. With a little practice, you'll be able to draw leaves in many sizes, shapes, and colors. Thanks for drawing with us. We hope you've had fun. For Art Expedition, I'm Kevin Van Norman. What will you create? Anyone have a rake?